How to open camera in a Mac. So you probably are here on this video because there is no dedicated camera application on your Mac. But there is one, it's just a bit difficult to find. The first application that you can use for this is FaceTime. You can just go to your application and look up FaceTime. Alternatively, you can just type in FaceTime and open it up. Now that you are here, your camera is open. If you want to check something, you can do that as well. And if you want to change, let's say, the effects or something, you can go to the camera icon on the top and change it. For example, if I want to toggle the studio light on and off, I can do that. If I want the portrait mode, I can do that as well. And this is a fun thing, which is going to be the edge light. I'm going to turn it on, and I am also going to share a screenshot with you to show how it looks. In edge light, you also have some options to change the warmth of the light and also the brightness of the light. If you hover the mouse anywhere near the edge light, it is going to go transparent so that you can use the screen still. So in darker environments, this is going to be useful. But the second application that we are going to use is the photo booth app. The photo booth application is an ancient application that has been there on many Apple devices, including the first iPhone, I think. So here you have the photo booth application as well. You can take a picture of yourself like so. Alternatively, you can also shoot a video of yourself. You also have take 4 pictures and then it's going to create a collage, right? After that, you have these effects over here. So you can take out any effects you want, or you can just take a normal photo like a normal person. Other than that, you can also go to a Google Meet. Let's type in meet.google.com or any video conferencing application. Let's create a new meeting. Let's start an instant meeting in this case. And then I'm going to allow it the microphone and camera. So there we have it. Now we are back on the camera. You can see how it looks. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.